Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a beginner tutorial to Xero and how can you work with it. The Xero is a small business supporting company that allows people to have some cloud space. So first, to show you the free perks of Xero, we're going to create an account. First, we enter our first name. We're going to add tech. Our Gmail is enter phone. You gotta enter your phone in. So I'll try to log in with my Google account, but I can't. So I've gotta sign up first. So we do the same thing, Ned Tech, our email. So we gotta type our phone in. So I'm gonna type a random number in. I hope it's no one's number. Yeah. Location. You set the location to where you're in. Like, I'll set it to chat. And so you have to read the terms of agreement and say that you're not okay. So our so that's our number. Yes. So we're trying to sign up. And first, we gotta verify our account. So you go to your Gmail. And you gotta receive a code. We are waiting for a little bit. Let me see if I have typed. No, I haven't typed my email in the correct order, so I've gotta do it again. I'll try to do it faster this time. So I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna show you in 1 second. So net tech, our Gmail, Peter Automation. So we gotta just put this shit. And after that, we choose our country. Yeah, just a second so I can find it. Yeah, I found it. Here's the number and our location. Let's set it to Greece. Do this and yes. So now we should receive an email. Let's refresh the page. Here it is. Yeah, it's me. And this should redirect us to the main page. First we gotta choose our passwords. Yes, I'm gonna check that. And we are sent to the main page. So now you are going to see what the free page is about, and I'm gonna show you the basic functions of it. So first we got our business name. Our business name is Ned Tech. So our industry, let's set it to IT. Okay, let's set it to retail. Car retailing, country Greece. That's a financial year. Yes. Yes. Yes, so we're going to start our free trial. And now we are being redirected to the dashboard. So right here you can see this. So you can get a setup guide. You can get an introduction, which I'm making for you. You can set invoices, you can add bills, you can connect it to your bank, you can set up payroll and some additional features. But for now, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your dashboard. You can hide these things if you don't want them. Maybe I don't want to get paid faster with online invoices. You save it and boom, it's gone. First, you can connect your bank account. You can also connect your bank account to pay your bills. You can stay on top of your taxes. You can also track where your money is going. So first, we should go business and invoices. So now in these invoices you're getting everything. This is inbox. Right here is everything that you get. Here are all the invoices you get. Here's the draft. Here's the awaiting approval, awaiting payment, paid, and repeating. So after time, maybe you would get many things here. You can delete them right here. And after that, maybe you want to write an invoice. Here is the accounting. So here you can add a bank account. Yes, filter by country. Yeah, so this may be my bank. Here's my bank, but it's not. Yes. Here I'm adding my bank and everything is alright. So you can track your bank from here. Like my bank's name is GSK Bank. And the account names, yeah. After that, you get the account type. It may be a credit card or other. Here you write your credit card's number and you select the currency. So you also can get, you can choose from many different paid plans. Just wait a second and I'll show them to you. So there is an standard plan here, there is a premium plan, and there is a starter. So the most popular is the standard plan. This is quite reasonable, but it is for $46 US. The starter pack is more cheaper, but you can get just up to 20 invoices and 5 bills, while if you're on the standard plan, you can get unlimited, and you can also get unlimited entering bills. So you can reconcile with your bank, you can do everything. There are many perks that you can get. The premium is the best one by far, but is the not the cheapest, the most expensive one. So you should be careful with what you wanted to buy. And so yeah, this is shortly what the setup tutorial for the bank. You can also add a profile picture, and yeah, everything should be good. You can edit your account, you edit your profile, and that is it for the video, guys. I hope I have helped you with something. If I did, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if I helped you or not, and have a great day. Have a great day. See ya.